A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Great? All right. My dear students, today we are going to begin with our revision sessions for English grammar. Right? So today we will be revising worksheets 8, 9 and 10. Okay? 8, 9, 10. I have already requested you all to be ready with your grammar workbook. Are you ready with the book? All of you? Yes? Okay, good. So I request everybody to take page number 27. Page number 27 of your grammar workbook. Let me share the screen. Once the screen is shared, then we will begin the worksheet. Now, we have already checked whether you all have written the notes or not. But now as we are revising, I request everybody to check once again whether you have written all the answers or not. Vowels and consonants. In worksheet 8 we have learnt about vowels and consonants. Are you able to see the shared screen, all of you? Yes? Okay. Now there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. How many? 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of these 26 letters, 5 letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, are called the vowels. Out of the 26 letters, 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are called the vowels, and the rest of the letters, that is 21. The rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. So let us once again revise that 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. 5 are vowels and 21 letters are called, the remaining 21 letters are called the consonants. Clear? Are you able to hear me? Give me a thumbs up, those who can hear me. Yes, okay, very good. Now, which are the vowels? Madhav, unmute. Which are the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining 21 are the consonants. We have already done that, so no need to do it again now, right? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. The remaining 21 are called the consonants. Okay. Good effort, Madhav. Thank you. Krishna, unmute. Here we need to fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. Let's do this. The first one. Yeah, tell me. L dash dash N. Look at the picture and with the help of that you have to get the correct spelling.
I-O-N.
I-O-N. Yes. You have to see to it that you use only the vowels here. No consonants must be used here. Only vowels. Correct vowels. Alright. Good effort, Krishna. Thank you. Parvati, unmute. Try number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, try.
C-A-K-E.
C-A-K-E. Cake. Okay. Good effort, Parvati. Thank you. Evelyn, unmute. Try number 3.
C-A-R.
C-A-R. Which word is it?
Car.
Car. Very good. Car. No R is not needed. Car.
Car.
Okay. Good effort. Thank you. Bennett, unmute. Try number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Bed. B-E-D.
B-E-D. Bed. Very good. Thank you. Advait Manoj, unmute. Number 5.
M-O Moon.
M-O-O-N, moon. Okay, very good. Thank you. Wilfred, unmute. Try number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 6.
B-O-O-K.
How do we read it? B-O-O-K. Book. Okay, good effort, Wilfred. Thank you. Arjun, unmute. Try number 7.
P-E-N. Pen.
P-E-N, pen. Okay, fantastic. Thank you. Anurag, unmute. Try number 8. Eight. Unmute, Anurag.
D-O-L-L. Doll.
Very good. D-O-L-L, doll. Thank you. Ritika, unmute. Try number 9.
Rose. R-O-S-E.
R-O-S-E, rose. Well done, Ritika. Thank you. Go ahead. Okay. Here, this is the same thing, right? D, you have understood how this is to be done, right? Now, next we have to revise the usage of a and an. A and an. We use an before nouns which begin with the vowels, that is, the letters A, E, I, O and U. We use an, before nouns that begin with letters A, E, I, O and U. And we use a before nouns that begin with any of the other letters. What do you understand by any of the other letters, Tirtha? Unmute. Consonants. Yes, very good. Yes, Tirtha. Say. Consonants. Yes. Other letters here means consonants. So what do we use before nouns that begin with vowels?
Consonants.
No, okay, fine. What do we use before nouns that begin with vowels? A or an? An, yes. We use an before nouns that begin with the vowels. And what do we use before nouns that begin with the consonants? A, yes. No, A. And before nouns that begin with vowels, and we use a before nouns that begin with the consonants. Krishna, please take the scale out of your mouth. Okay, good effort, thank you. Now let's try these. Albrin, unmute. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Dash apple. An apple. Fantastic. An apple. Tom Saji, unmute. Number 2. Dash bun. Dash bun. A bun. Okay, very good. Thank you. Joseph Sebi, unmute. Number 3. Dash cup.
A cup.
A cup. A cup. Okay, good effort. Azaria, unmute. Try number 4. Dash house.
A house.
A house. Okay, very good. Thank you. Mitra, unmute. Number 5.
Ear.
Sorry?
An ear.
An ear. Very good. Thank you. Nived, unmute. Number 6.
A man.
A man. Yes. I request the others not to answer in between, please. Jennifer, unmute. Number 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7.
An ox.
An ox. Fantastic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, my dear. And Roy, unmute. Number 8. Number 8. Fast. Dash drum.
A drum.
A drum, yes, a drum. Thank you. Santom, number 9. First, dash umbrella.
An umbrella.
Yes, an umbrella. Very good. I am happy to see that you were thinking and then you gave me the answer. Very good. I appreciate it. Nihal, unmute. Number 10.
An officer.
An officer. Fantastic. Confident answer. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, now this is the same thing. So let's move ahead. Oh, just give me 1 second. I'll go to the next exercise. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, I request, while the board gets loaded, I request everybody to be on page number 30. Now we will revise the usage of this and that. Are you all confident about the vowels and consonants now?
Yes.
Let's move to this and that.
Ma'am, are we not doing the exam?
Yes, I will be sending the link. Okay.
Yes.
What that?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Arav, tell me one thing. This and that. In these two words, when we see a car that is near us, what do we use? This or that? Near us. Sorry? This. Very good. Okay, thank you. Muhammad Ali, unmute. What do we use for a car that is far from us? This or that? That. Okay, good effort. Thank you, Muhammad. Chaitanya, unmute. Tell me the first one, number A, this or that. Dash is a car.
That is a car.
That is a car. Why did we use that?
Because it is far from that boy.
It is far from that boy. Fantastic. Thank you. And Roy, unmute. Try the second one. The girl and the hen. And Roy, fast.
This is her hand.
This is a hen. Why did you choose this?
No, it is near to us.
Because the hen is near the girl. Okay, good effort. Thank you. Advait Manoj, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Advait Manoj, try the boy and the goat.
This is a goat.
Fantastic. This is a goat. Very good. The next one, girl and the basket. Bennett, the girl and the basket. Dash is a basket.
This is a basket.
This is a basket. Okay, thank you. Madhav, where are you? Wilfred, unmute. Wilfred, unmute. Try the next one. The girl and the cow.
That is a cow.
That is a cow. Perfect. Thank you. Madhav, unmute. The man and the television. Unmute, Madhav. The man and the television. That. Very good. That is a television. The next one, the girl and the table. Arjun. The girl and the table. Arjun, only Arjun will answer. Nobody else. Arjun, unmute. The girl and the table. That. Okay, very good. The man and the truck. Albrin, the man and the truck. This is a truck because the man is literally touching the truck and standing. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Now this is the same thing. Let's move to worksheet 10. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular means whenever we speak about any one particular thing or person or animal, we call it as singular. Only one. Single. You know the word single, right? Single means only one. The word singular is taken from that, derived from that. So singular means only one noun. And if there are more than one noun, we call it as plural. Only one noun, singular. More than one noun, plural. Plural. Cup, cups. Apple, apples. Doll, dolls. Okay? Now, what all can we add to the singular nouns to make them plural? Who can give me that answer? Yes, Parvati, unmute and try. What all can we add to the singular nouns to make them plural? S and ES. Fantastic. Well done. We can add S and we can add ES to make the plural. Okay, good effort. I'm happy to hear that. Are you ready? Do you want to revise the rules? Okay, let's check the first one. We add ES to some nouns which end with X, CH, S, SH or O. ES. We add ES to some nouns which end with X, CH, S, SH or O. Only to such nouns we can add ES. To all the others words, to all the other nouns ending with the other letters, we can add S to make plural. Only that much is there to remember. Okay? Let's try. Anurag, unmute. Number 1. First question, add S to make them plural. Number 1, cow. Anurag, unmute. Oh, network issue? Okay. Tom Saji, yeah. Anurag, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, please try the first one. Cow.
Cow.
Spelling.
COWS.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Tom Saji, try number 4. ANT. Spelling.
ANTS.
Okay, very good, Tom. Thank you. Tirtha, unmute. Try number 5. Number 5. Spelling.
FROGS.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Joseph Sebi, unmute. Try number 9. 9.
Table.
Spell plural.
Table.
Spelling.
TABLLS.
No, LES. LES. Okay. Okay, good effort, my dear. Thank you. Evelyn, try number 12. Try number 12. Evelyn. Evelyn, unmute. Try number 12. STOOL. Stool. What is the plural? Spelling.
STOOLS.
S. Stools. Okay, very good. Thank you. Mitra, try number 13. Unmute.
Pencil.
Spelling.
Pencil.
Spelling.
PENCIL.
Fantastic. Thank you. Nived, try number 18. Yes.
B-I-R-D,
Plural.
bird,
B-I-R-D-S.
D-S,
Birds. Okay, very good. Thank you. Nihal, unmute. Try number 19. Yeah, welcome. 19.
plate, cup,
Plate. Plural.
P-L-U-P-E,
A. P-L-A-T-E-S. Not you. Plate. Okay, thank you. Arav, unmute. Now, the next exercise we will use ES, add ES to make into plural. And we add ES to the nouns that end with X, CH, S, SH or O. What are they? Nouns that end with X, CH, S, SH or O. Got it? What do we add at the end of these nouns? We add ES to make plural. Are you ready to go ahead? Yes. Muhammad Ali, unmute. Try number 1. Bus.
buses,
Buses. Spelling.
buses,
Spelling, my dear.
B-U-S, bus,
Okay. Spelling.
S, F,
Not us. S. B-U-S-E-S. Buses. Yes? Buses. Okay, thank you. Krishna, unmute. Try number 6. I cannot hear you. Cannot hear.
glasses,
Spelling.
G-L-A-S-S, G-L-A-S-S-E-S.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Jennifer, unmute. Try number 9.
What question?
Number 9, my dear. Add ES to make plural. Number 9, page number 14. Page number 14.
Church,
Sorry, 34. 34. Not 14. 34. Yeah, tell.
church, and dog. Church,
Spelling, plural.
C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S.
Yes, very good. Churches. Churches. Yes,
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, my dear. Arav, try number 14. Arav, be fast.
C-L-A-S-S.
Class. What is the plural?
Classes.
Spelling?
D-L-A-S-S.
E-S. E-S. Classes. Okay, thank you. Santom, unmute. Try number 18.
Yes, ma'am.
18. Mango.
Oh,
Ah.
mangoes.
Spelling?
M-A-N-G-O. Mango.
M-A-N-G-O-E-S. E-S. Mangoes. Say it again. Say it again.
M-A-N-G-O-E-S.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Ritika, unmute. Try number 1. Question number B. Here we have to choose whether we have to add S or ES to make plural. We have to think and do it very carefully, okay? Yes, Ritika, try the first one. Number 1.
Brush.
Bush, not brush. B-U-S-H, bush.
Check.
What should I add?
Check.
Spelling?
Ushes.
E-S. Very good. Thank you. Azaria, number 2. Tool. T-O-O-L. Tool.
Tool.
Spelling?
Tool.
Spelling?
T-O-O-L-S.
Okay, very good. Joseph, unmute. Try number 3. Tomato. Tomato. What do we add? S or E-S? Be fast.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Tomatoes. Okay, thank you, my dear. All right, let me stop sharing. Are you ready to appear for the exam? Move to the chat box.
Yes.
Move to the chat box. I have sent the link. Got it? Yes? Okay, please start entering the answers. Okay. I'll read out the questions for you. Name of the student, class and division 1A. Question number 1. There are dash letters in the English alphabet. There are dash letters in the English alphabet. 21, 5 or 26. Number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct vowels. M dash dash N. M dash dash N. Are they OA, OO or AO? Question number 3. Fill in the blank. I saw dash old car. I saw dash old car. A or an? Number 4. Toto is dash good dog. Toto is dash good dog. An or a? Choose the correct one. Number 5. Dash car means the car which is far from us. Dash car means the car which is far from us. This or that. Number 6. This bag means the bag which is dash to us. This bag means the bag which is dash to us. Near or far. Number 7. Plural of tiger. Plural of tiger. Options are tiger, tigers, tigress. Be careful. Read the spellings properly and choose the correct answer. Number 8. Plural of church. Plural of church. Options are church, church or churches. Read the spellings very carefully. Don't be in a hurry. Number 9. Plural of tool. Plural of tool.
Again.
Yes?
Can you send again?
Sure. Just give me 1 second. Did you get it, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead. Number 9, plural of tool. Options are tool, tools and T-O-O-L-E-S. Tools again. The last one, plural of guess. Plural of guess. Options are guesses. G-U-E-S-S-E-S and G-U-E-S-S-E-D. Guessed. Very good. I can see that some of you have already started submitting. Wonderful. Oh, very good. Very good. Don't be in a hurry at all. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time and do it. How was it? Simple? Happy? All are happy?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Very good. You have to keep the rules in mind and don't be in a hurry at all. Read it. If you have any doubts, you can ask the teacher. I'll help you. But don't be in a hurry to finish it and submit it.
We read 10 out of 10.
What happened, my dear?
We read 10 out of 10.
Yes, I can see everybody's marks. I am very happy to see them. Only 2-3 have lost some marks, and that too I believe because of the hurry that they did. Yes? So never be in a hurry. Don't worry at all. Take your time and submit it. Check all the answers and then only you must submit. When you check the answers, you will understand where you have gone wrong.
Can we leave, ma'am?
Yes, those who have submitted may leave the session. Okay. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. No need to say anything, my dear ones, because we must not disturb the others who are still writing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. See you in the next class. Yes, Evelyn. Good.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.